Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Tuesday. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 barely changed, but ended in the green, while the Dow ended in the red, barely changed, and the Russell 2000 closed 0.4% lower. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed higher, with industrials and energy leading the way, up nearly 0.5%. And to the downside, healthcare and communication services were the worst performers. Looking at some stocks on the move, Goldman Sachs shares closed down nearly 2% after earnings came in mixed. Now, although earnings beat, revenue came in below expectations, and CEO David Solomon says the company is exploring the sale of its Green Sky consumer unit. He describes the quarter as a solid performance despite the banking turmoil that happened last month. PulteGroup shares closed up more than 3% after housing starts and permits data came in strong this morning. And just yesterday, the Home Builder Sentiment Index rose for the 4th consecutive month. PulteGroup and its peers have seen more interest as mortgage rates have fallen in recent months after hitting a peak late last year. PulteGroup will share more on sentiment when it reports its earnings on April 25th. And Netflix shares fell in after-hours trading after earnings showed an increase in subscribers and revenue that rose almost 4% year over year to just over $8 billion in the first quarter. But net profit fell to $1.3 billion from $1.6 billion. Netflix also said it'll cut its DVD service in September after 25 years. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Earnings season rolls on with Abbott, Morgan Stanley, and Travelers out in the pre-market. And in the post-market, we get several important names with Discover, IBM, Lam Research, Las Vegas Sands, and Tesla all scheduled to report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.